How to connect TikTok to Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside the TikTok application, simply click on your profile, and once you're inside the profile, click on this share profile button, and you can simply copy the link from here. Once you copy the link from here, you simply head back to your Facebook application. Once you're inside Facebook application, as you can see, I'm inside my Facebook application. You can click on the edit profile option here, and once you go all the way down, you can see the option called links. Simply add the links here. It will ask you to add a social link here, and it will also ask you to choose the platform. You can simply copy the username from here, and again head back to your Facebook and simply paste in the username here, and you can simply add a website as well. That is the link you copied previously from here, like this. And once you click on the add button here, simply click on done, and once you click on done, simply save it from here and head back. And as you can see, when you refresh the page, as you can see, your TikTok account has been successfully added and linked to your Facebook account. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. See you in the next one.